Jujube.
Jujube. I think that's just a fun word to say. It's fall. I was in the briar patch the other day, Grass Valley one. In the berry section, I see this little basket of things that look like avocado pits. And picked up the basket, looked at it. I like trying unusual things I've never seen before, and this is what was in them. I mean, truly, it's avocado pit, right? So they're a little pricey. Got them up to the checkout counter, and it was like $10 for a little basket. Jujube is for a Chinese date.
The freshly picked fruit tastes slightly like an apple. The pit looks like an olive pit.
According to WebMD, these things are like really good for all kinds of stuff. They're high in antioxidants, good for your immunity. They have potassium in them. It's good for sleep. You can use it as a laxative, and it may lower cholesterol. When you look on YouTube, there's a lot of stuff about cultivating them. In China, they've been cultivated for somewhere between 7,000 and 4,000 years, so long, long time. And when they're dried, they get even sweeter.
If you research these trees, I did, you'll find links in the video description below. You'll find lots of information for gardeners and farmers. They're hardy, drought tolerant, and they're naturalized to California, which means they can reproduce and attract pollinators. They have extensive root systems, and they send up suckers. They also have no known predators. This may or may not be good. I used to think that you could go to a nursery and anything they had for sale there would be okay to plant. That is not necessarily true. These trees might be like the eucalyptus, where if you put them in the ground, they live really well here, but they also dramatically change the environment both above and below the surface. I do not plan on planting a jujube tree. For now, I'm going to enjoy purchasing this nice fruit at my local grocery store and enjoying it when it's in season.
After this, I'm going to be looking for them dried.